Hi, I'm Annie. I'm studying material science at the University of Cambridge, and I am here at PA as an intern in the applied sciences capability.
Hello, I'm Lily and I'm a mechanical engineering student at Lancaster University and I'm also working here as an intern.
Hi, I'm Jenna. I'm studying physics at the University of Warwick and I'm also in the applied sciences capability at PA.
Our project has to do with redesigning lateral flow tests, and the lateral flow test you're probably most familiar with is the rapid test for COVID-19. They're quite tricky to use, so we're trying to make a design that has enhanced usability.
We're at week 6 of our project and up to this point we've been generating different ideas and trying to refine them down to a final 3. With this final 3 we've then completed tests and then generated some CAD drawings so we can then 3D print them and create prototypes.
And then with our 3 prototypes, we're going to conduct lots of user testing with people from the office, and based on what they like and dislike, we're going to change it again on CAD to suit their needs, hopefully make a final design. And then we also want to add a modular device that will see the test result and send it as a notification to your phone.
I've really enjoyed working at PA. Something I've really liked is being part of the product development process, which is very new for me.
One thing I found really enjoyable is working with people from different capabilities and learning more about the chemistry and the physics of the product.
And I've really liked getting to know a bit more about electronics and computing, because we touched on it in my degree, but it's good to see it actually put to work.